Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, May 23rd, 2013. Not a whole lot to talk about over the holiday weekend. We still have some area rivers that are rising due to the recent rainfall over the past couple of days, but those will be receding as we head into the day on Friday and should continue downward through the weekend with dry weather expected. There will also be the threat for some frost over the next 2 to 3 mornings across the region, with skies clearing out tonight and winds diminishing. We'll see that first threat of frost tonight, and those will continue both Friday night and Saturday night. And this will be mainly across interior areas away from the Great Lakes, so just keep that in mind. You may need to protect some of your sensitive vegetation over the next several nights as temperatures are expected to get down to near or below the freezing mark. On the current weather map today, we have a couple of cold fronts off to our east, and the last of those fronts is working its way through the lower Great Lakes region with high pressure building in behind it, and that is pushing rain showers out of the lower peninsula this afternoon and evening, and then we'll see dry air move in behind it, and skies are expected to clear during the evening hours, which will set the stage for some frost development by early Friday morning. Not a whole lot of change is expected. That area of high pressure builds into the upper Midwest and Great Lakes Friday and then gets sandwiched between a couple of areas of low pressure, one to our west and one to our east, and that's going to keep things bottled up through the weekend, which is good news for us, which means we're going to see a very nice holiday weekend, although temperatures will start out on the cool side, especially Friday into Saturday, but heading into Sunday and Monday, temperatures should begin to slowly warm. We should see at least seasonable readings by Sunday, and we'll see more 70s across the region by Monday. Really no precipitation expected through the next 4 to 5 days. We see a warm front on this map across the Plain States that's eventually going to work its way into the region, but probably not until we get into later Tuesday into Wednesday, when we'll probably see our next significant chance for precipitation. Here's the forecast weather map by Sunday morning. We see that area of high pressure still sitting overhead with a storm system that'll be bringing some nasty weather to New England, and that frontal boundary I mentioned earlier across the plains, which is going to be a focus for some rainfall and severe weather heading into the latter part of the weekend. So again, from a hazardous perspective, the main thing we'll be dealing with over the next couple of nights will be potential for frost, as temperatures will be flirting with the freezing mark both tonight, Friday night, and Saturday night. We still have some elevated river levels on within some streams across northern lower Michigan, but those will be going down over the next 24 to 48 hours. And then we'll see a next chance for any kind of thunderstorms not until next Wednesday. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected around 5 a.m. Friday morning.